Welcome to Apex Motorhomes. Today I'm traveling in a luxury motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay with me till the end for an amazing tour.
What if I told you there's a $25 million motorhome in the USA that looks more like a futuristic palace on wheels than an RV? This matte black Kenworth motorhome is not just big, it has 3 floors, a rooftop terrace, luxury bedrooms, glass balconies, and even its own radar system. And today on Apex Motorhomes, we are exploring every single level of this insane luxury machine. But trust me, the rooftop terrace at the end will completely blow your mind. So make sure you watch till the end. And if you love crazy luxury motorhomes, hit subscribe right now because this channel is all about the most unbelievable homes on wheels in the world. Before we step inside, just look at this beast. This matte black Kenworth motorhome stretches like a rolling mansion on 11 massive wheels. The glossy matte finish reflects sunlight like a stealth luxury spaceship. The front cabin is built on the legendary Kenworth truck platform, meaning this palace isn't just beautiful, it's also powerful enough to travel across the entire United States. Massive panoramic windows wrap around the body, giving passengers 360-degree views of the road and landscape. And hidden on the roof are advanced navigation radars and communication antennas, making this vehicle look like something straight out of the future. But the real magic begins inside. Let's step into the ground floor. As soon as the door opens, you enter a premium entrance lobby that feels more like a 5-star hotel reception than an RV. Soft LED lighting, polished floors, and luxury wall panels immediately give the space a super premium vibe. Moving forward, you reach the main living lounge area. Here you'll find large luxury sofas, a smart entertainment screen, and a beautifully designed guest seating space where friends and family can relax while the motorhome is traveling. Imagine sitting here while driving through deserts, mountains, or coastal highways. But that's not all. Hidden behind sleek sliding panels are multiple storage cabinets designed to hold everything from luggage to travel essentials. And yes, even a palace on wheels needs a bathroom. On this floor, you'll find a modern washroom and bathroom equipped with luxury fittings, a stylish sink, and a compact shower area. And connecting everything together, a beautiful staircase that leads us to the second floor. But before we go upstairs, comment below, would you travel across the USA in a motorhome like this? Welcome to the second floor, where this motorhome truly starts feeling like a luxury penthouse apartment. The highlight here is the master luxury bedroom. A large king-size bed sits in the center, surrounded by soft lighting, premium wall textures, and panoramic windows that let you wake up to incredible views. Every morning, right next to the bedroom is a private washroom and shower area designed with luxury marble finishes, modern faucets, and elegant mirrors. This means the owners get a completely private living experience while traveling. But one of the most important parts of any home is the kitchen. And this motorhome doesn't disappoint. The kitchen and dining area includes modern appliances, built-in cabinets, a cooking counter, and a stylish dining table where passengers can enjoy meals while watching the scenery. And speaking of scenery, this level also includes a beautiful glass balcony view section, giving the motorhome an almost yacht-like experience while on the road. Just imagine enjoying coffee here while watching a sunset in the desert. But wait, the most insane part of this motorhome is still above us. Let's go to the top floor. Welcome to the rooftop terrace. Yes, this motorhome literally has its own private rooftop lounge. Up here you'll find a relaxing open lounge area designed for chilling, enjoying fresh air, or hosting small gatherings. Soft seating, ambient lighting, and open sky views make this space feel like a luxury rooftop bar on wheels. And for technology lovers, you'll notice the navigation radar and antenna systems installed nearby, helping with communication and advanced travel navigation. But the most magical part of this level is the sky view seating area. Here, Passengers can sit comfortably under the open sky, enjoying sunsets, night stars, and breathtaking landscapes while traveling across the country. At this point, it's hard to believe this is actually a motorhome and not a luxury penthouse moving on the highway. So this was the $25 million matte black Kenworth Motorhome Palace. On wheels, 3 incredible levels: a luxury lounge, bedroom suites, kitchen, glass balcony, rooftop terrace, radar systems, and sky view seating. This machine completely redefines what a motorhome can be because we explore the most insane luxury motorhomes ever built. And trust me, the next motorhome we are going to show you is even crazier. See you in the next video.